You've taken a life-changing step toward better health. Congratulations! This journey is all about making sustainable changes that will benefit you in the long run. One of the most important aspects of this journey is learning how to nourish your body properly. Now let's talk about how to fuel your body the right way. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating smart. The food you choose to put into your body can make a world of difference in how you feel and how well you recover. We're going to turn this kitchen into a bariatric boot camp, but instead of sweating over complicated recipes, we're going to focus on simple, delicious meals that will make you wonder why you didn't do this sooner. Imagine a kitchen where every meal is a celebration of flavors and nutrients designed to help you thrive. After bariatric surgery, your meals should be high in protein, low in carbs, and easy to digest. But that doesn't mean they have to be boring. Think of succulent grilled chicken, tender fish, and vibrant vegetables that not only look good but taste amazing. We're talking about real food, cooked right, with flavors that pop. Fresh herbs, spices, and a variety of textures will make each meal an experience to look forward to. None of that bland, tasteless slop you might be thinking of. Instead, picture meals that are as visually appealing as they are delicious. Today, I'll share delicious bariatric-friendly meals from breakfast to dinner and show you exactly how to prepare them. Whether it's a hearty breakfast to kickstart your day or a satisfying dinner to end it, we've got you covered. We're going to break it down step by step, so even if you've never boiled an egg, you'll be plating like a pro in no time. From selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering cooking techniques, you'll gain the confidence to create meals that are both nutritious and delicious. Let's get started. All right, let's start the day off right with some cottage cheese pancakes. These aren't your typical pancakes. They're a delightful twist on a breakfast classic. Cottage cheese is our secret weapon here, packed with protein and low in carbs. It's a fantastic ingredient that adds a creamy texture and a slight tang to the pancakes. First, grab your blender. Chuck in your cottage cheese, a couple of eggs, a bit of flour, a dash of vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon. These ingredients come together to create a batter that's not only nutritious, but also incredibly tasty. Blend it all up until it's smooth. The key here is to make sure there are no lumps, so take your time blending. Now get your pan nice and hot, because a hot pan ensures that your pancakes cook evenly and get that beautiful golden brown color. Add a drizzle of olive oil, just enough to coat the pan lightly. Olive oil not only prevents sticking, but also adds a subtle flavor. Pour small amounts of batter onto the pan, silver dollar size. This size is perfect for ensuring they cook through without burning. Cook for about a minute on each side, or until they're golden brown. You'll know they're ready to flip when bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Serve them up warm with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a few berries. The yogurt adds a creamy contrast, while the berries bring a burst of freshness and color. These pancakes are high in protein, low in carbs, and easy to digest. They're perfect for a post-workout meal or a healthy breakfast option. Give it a go, you won't be disappointed. Not only are they delicious, but they also keep you full and satisfied for hours. Enjoy your healthy and tasty breakfast. Next up, we're tackling a classic, scrambled tofu. Crumble up your tofu to resemble scrambled eggs. Heat up some olive oil in a pan and toss in your mushrooms until golden brown. Add in the crumbled tofu, a pinch of turmeric, salt, and pepper. Cook for a few minutes, stirring constantly. Toss in a handful of fresh spinach and let it wilt slightly. Serve it on its own or with a side salad. This dish is versatile, packed with protein and full of flavor. Let's move on to something light and quick. Turkey and hummus cucumber roll-ups. Slice fresh cucumbers thinly. Spread a generous layer of hummus on each slice. Pile a spoonful of shredded turkey onto each cucumber slice. Roll up each slice and sprinkle with paprika. These roll-ups are perfect for a light lunch or snack. Packed with protein and refreshing crunch, they're easy to transport. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Get creative. This next recipe is a game-changer lentil and avocado power bowls. These bowls are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making them a perfect choice for a healthy meal. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner, this power bowl has got you covered. Start by rinsing your lentils thoroughly under cold running water. This step is crucial to remove any dirt or impurities. Once rinsed, add them to a pot with enough water to cover the lentils by about an inch. Bring the pot to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it reaches a rolling boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently. This process should take about 20 minutes or until the lentils are tender but not mushy. While the lentils are cooking, take this time to prepare the other ingredients. Mash a ripe avocado in a bowl until it's smooth and creamy. Then dice some fresh cherry tomatoes. These will add a burst of color and flavor to your bowl. Once the lentils are cooked, it's time to assemble your power bowls. Start with a generous scoop of the cooked lentils as your base. Add the mashed avocado and diced cherry tomatoes on top. Don't forget to sprinkle some fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley for an extra layer of flavor. To finish off your bowl, drizzle your favorite dressing over the top. A simple vinaigrette or a tangy lemon tahini dressing works wonderfully. For added texture and nutrition, consider topping your bowl with some nuts or seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, or chia seeds. This bowl is packed with protein from the lentils, healthy fats from the avocado, and a variety of vitamins and minerals from the fresh vegetables and herbs. It's a well-rounded meal that will keep you full and energized. Perfect for lunch or dinner, this lentil and avocado power bowl is versatile and nutritious. You can enjoy it as a light meal on its own, or pair it with a side of whole grain bread, or a fresh salad for a more substantial meal. Feel free to experiment with different types of lentils, such as green, brown, or red lentils. You can also mix and match various vegetables and dressings to keep things interesting and cater to your taste preferences. Enjoy a meal that not only fuels your body, but also delights your taste buds. This lentil and avocado power bowl is a delicious way to stay healthy and satisfied. Let's get down to business with baked cod with lemon and garlic. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Pat fresh cod fillets dry and place them on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and season with garlic powder, lemon zest, thyme, salt, and pepper. Bake for 15 minutes until the cod flakes easily. Serve with steamed vegetables, a light salad, or quinoa. This dish is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Enjoy a delicious and healthy meal ready in under 30 minutes. We're about to turn a classic dish on its head: eggplant lasagna. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice eggplants thinly and cook in a skillet until softened. Brown ground turkey with garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. Assemble the lasagna with layers of marinara sauce, eggplant slices, ground turkey, and ricotta cheese. Repeat layers and end with marinara sauce and ricotta. Cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes, then uncover and bake for 15 more. Let it rest before slicing and serving. This lighter version of lasagna is just as delicious and satisfying. Enjoy a healthier twist on a classic favorite. Let's talk about a simple and satisfying snack: hard-boiled eggs with avocado mash. Boil your eggs and let them sit in hot water for 10 minutes. Run under cold water and peel carefully. Slice eggs in half lengthwise. Mash a ripe avocado with salt and pepper. Spoon avocado mash onto each egg half. Sprinkle with chili flakes or hot sauce for extra flavor. Enjoy a protein-packed snack ready in minutes. Finish strong with protein chia pudding, perfect for busy mornings. Add chia seeds, protein powder, almond milk, and honey to a jar. Shake well and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. In the morning, stir and top with fresh berries, nuts, or granola. This breakfast is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Prep ahead for a nutritious start to your day. It's also great as a healthy dessert or snack. Experiment with different flavors and toppings. Here are a few final tips to help you succeed on your bariatric journey. Choose slowly and eat mindfully. Stay hydrated, but avoid drinking 30 minutes before or after meals. Stay consistent and keep it fun. Experiment with new recipes and flavors. Want more exclusive bariatric-friendly recipes? Sign up for my newsletter. Get new recipes, expert tips, and support to keep you strong and energized. Click the link below, grab your bonus recipes, and make this your healthiest year yet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.